Hey guys, today we're talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. And you know what? Parallel lines have so much in common. It's a shame they will never meet. Hi again, this is Franck. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Today we are going to be covering parallel and perpendicular line equations. Alright, let's do it. Two lines are parallel to each other if they share the same direction, meaning they share the same slope. So if you have a given line with slope m, a line that is parallel to that one would have a slope m1 equals to m. On the other hand, two lines are perpendicular if the product of their slope is equal to -1, meaning their slopes are negative reciprocal of one another. So if you have a given line with slope m, a new line perpendicular to that one would have a slope m1 equal to -1/m. Let me give you an example. If you were asked to find a parallel and perpendicular line equation to the line y equals to 4x plus 3, and going through the point of coordinate -8, -10, this is what you would do. First off, let's find the line that's parallel to the line y equals 4x plus 3 and going through the point -8, -10. Since this line has a slope m equals -4, our new line with slope m1 would have the exact same slope. So we're going to have m1 equals to -4 as well. And so with that and the point P1 with coordinate -8, -10, which can be seen here as x1 and y1, you can use the point slope form y minus y1 equals to m1 parenthesis x minus x1 to figure out the equation of this line. And so you're going to have y minus 10 equals to -4 in parenthesis x minus 8. And so that would give you y plus 10 equals to 4x minus 32. And so to write this in the slope-intercept form, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 10 on both sides and get my final answer as y equals to -4x minus 42, and you'll be done. And when it comes to the perpendicular line to y equals 4x plus 3, noting that the slope of your line is m equals -4, a new line which is perpendicular to it would have a slope m1 equals to -1 over -4, which is the same thing as 1/4. And so with that and the point P1 of coordinate -8, -10, we're going to use the point slope form to write this equation as y minus y1 equals to m1 x minus x1. And so that will give us y minus 10 equals to 1/4 in parentheses x minus 8, which gives us y plus 10 equals to 1/4 x plus 2. And to write this in slope-intercept form, I'm going to have to again subtract 10 on both sides, giving me y equals to 1/4 x minus 8. And so that's it. The most important thing here is to know how to find the slope of a parallel line and a perpendicular line to another line. And so let me give you a second example so you can have these ideas just sink in. On this second one, I just want you to find the slope of parallel and perpendicular lines to the line 2x plus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. To do that here, since our equation is not written in slope-intercept form, that's the first thing we should do. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite this equation in slope-intercept form. So you're going to have 2x plus 3y minus 18 equals 0. And so subtracting 2x and adding 18 on both sides, we are going to get 3y equals to -2x plus 18. And dividing the whole thing by 3 should give us y equals to -2/3x plus 18. And so with that being done, you should know now that this given line has a slope of m equals to -2/3. And so the line that is parallel to this line would have a slope m1 equals to -2/3 because parallel lines have the same direction, and so they have the same slope. And the line that is perpendicular to this line will have a slope m1 equals to positive 3/2, right? So negative reciprocal, which basically means to switch the sign of your slope while flipping it over, and you should be done. The third and final example that I have are for specific cases, which are horizontal and vertical lines. So what if I ask you to find the parallel and perpendicular line to the line x equals to 2? going to the point -7, 5. Now, because this line happens to be vertical, our work here is much simpler, because a parallel line to a vertical line would also happen to be a vertical line. So it will be written in the form x equals a, where a is going to be the x coordinate of the point that the line should be going through. And so the equation of the parallel line to x equals 2 here is going to be simply x equals -7, and you should be done. On the other hand, a perpendicular line to a vertical line would be a horizontal line, which means that this equation should be of the form y equals to b, with b being the y coordinate of the point this line should be going through. And so for this particular case, the perpendicular line to the line x equals 2 would simply be y equals to 5, because 5 is the y coordinate of our point. So you don't have to worry about using algebra here to solve your problem. Just know the form of your equations. And so next time we're going to talk about the average rate of change. If you want to have a PDF version of this particular note, check out the descriptions below. And if you like the way I break down the material, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.